yo, it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to cut a shape out the back of your t-shirt. And when it's all done, it's going to look like this. Yeah. So the first thing you want to do is take your t-shirt and grab it at the center front of the collar and the center front of the bottom, and we're just going to lay it on its side. So now that it's on its side, you want to smooth it out and make sure that one side seam is stacked on top of another side seam here. And this is the area we're going to be cutting, so you want that to be nice and smooth. And we're just going to cut a pretty flower design in the back of the shirt. So the first thing we'll do is cut one petal. So you can go into the fabric with your fabric scissors. We're cutting through both layers at once and just make a little petal shape like this. When you unfold it, this is the shape that you're going to be cutting out all around the back of the t-shirt. So we'll put that shape down. So now we're just going to cut through both layers of fabric. Put your scissors into this hole and just use this petal shape as a guide of where to cut. You're just cutting a similar shape like that. So now you can take these shapes out. You see we have another petal shape. And if there's some bumps or some bad parts, you can just touch it up with your scissors. So again, take your petal shape and put it where you want the next flower petal to be. Right? Make a little snip at the bottom of the petal with your scissors, and that's where you're going to cut in. And make sure you're cutting through both layers of fabric at the same time. Just like that. Perfect. We're going to finish off with one last petal along the bottom, so it's just going to be half the size of one of the petals already because of that fold. So just position one of your petals and then cut around it like that. Amazing! And when you unfold it, we have this really pretty flower shape at the back. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. And you can do that as high or low on the back as you want. Thanks for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.